For generations, ceilings were built to contain dreams. But brave women didn't wait for doors, they made their own way through the glass. Today, we celebrate those who refuse to be defined by limits. The women who broke the ceiling. In 1931, Hattie White Caraway became the first woman elected to the US Senate. A quiet voice that echoed through history, proving politics wasn't just a man's game. She didn't wait for permission. She made her seat at the table. Science once shut its doors to women, but not for long. Marie Curie's discoveries changed physics forever. Rosalind Franklin unlocked the structure of DNA. And from Pakistan, Dr. Nargis Mawlwala, an astrophysicist at MIT, helped detect gravitational waves, proving that curiosity knows no borders and brilliance knows no gender. Valentina Tereshkova became the first woman in space. Sally Ride inspired generations. Kalpana Chawla carried the dreams of the subcontinent to the cosmos. Each flight broke not just Earth's gravity, but social gravity too. When Sirimavo Bandaranaike became the first female prime minister, the world took notice. When Margaret Thatcher and Indira Gandhi led their nations, power got a new face. And in Pakistan, Benazir Bhutto became the first Muslim woman prime minister. A beacon of courage in a patriarchal world. Before her, Fatima Jinnah stood beside her brother Quaid-e-Azam, shaping Pakistan's political conscience with grace and grit. Leadership has no gender, only vision. When Malala Yousafzai stood up for girls' education, the world listened. When Rosa Parks refused to stand, a revolution began. And in Pakistan, Asma Jahangir, human rights lawyer and activist, fought fearlessly for justice and equality. These women didn't just raise their voices, they raised humanity. From Billie Jean King to Serena Williams, strength became art. And in Pakistan, Sana Mir led the cricket team to victory. Alpha Karim, the world's youngest Microsoft professional, proved age and gender are no barriers to excellence, and Samina Bag climbed Everest to show the peak belongs to everyone brave enough to try. These women turned competition into inspiration. Today, women redefine innovation and leadership. Kamala Harris made history as US Vice President. Muniba Mazari, Pakistan's Iron Lady, turned tragedy into motivation. Greta Thunberg fights for our planet, and Oprah Winfrey continues to inspire through empathy and purpose. The future is already female, and it's fearless. They were told to stay silent, they sang louder. Told to step back, they led forward. Told they couldn't, they did. From Hattie Caraway to Malala, from Fatima Jinnah to Muniba Mazari, the ceiling didn't just crack, it disappeared. To every girl watching, the next chapter of history has your name written on it.